Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's special recipe is pesarattlu or pesar dosa. It is originated in Andhra Pradesh, India. It has a lot of protein. It's eaten as breakfast and as a snack. First, soak up green lentils for 4 hours and take quarter slice of onion and few cloves of garlic and ginger, curry leaves. Add lentil in a mixer jar. Do not add any water unless you need it. And then grind it into a coarse meal and pour the batter into a mixing bowl. In a same jar, add onion, green chilies, ginger and garlic cloves, and curry leaves. Grind it into a paste, then add it to a mixing bowl. Add salt according to your taste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Mix it all well together and set aside. Take a flat pan on a medium heat. Once the pan is heat enough, rub the onion on the pan, add 1 scoop of batter and spread that around. Spray some oil all around it and then turn the flame onto high heat. When you see the dosa changing color, turn it on to the other side and cook it for another minute or 2, then serve it to your plate. And repeat the process. Make sure when you pour the batter on the pan, the heat should be low. Serve the pesarttu with any kind of pickle or chutney. I prefer ginger pickle or gongura pickle. For more recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.